Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to describe Cash App biometric login setup. Start by opening the Cash App on your phone and logging in as usual. Once you're on the home screen, tap your profile icon in the top right corner. This will take you to your account settings. Scroll down until you find privacy and security. Tap on that and you will see a few options related to protecting your account. Here you will find the toggle for security lock. This is a setting that controls biometric login. Turn the security lock on. Once you enable it, Cash App will prompt you to verify your identity depending on your device. This could be your phone passcode, fingerprint, or face scan. Once verified, your biometric login is now active. From now on, every time you open Cash App or try to make a payment, it will ask for your fingerprint or face ID before proceeding. Keep in mind, biometric login works with your device built-in security settings. So if you haven't already set up Face ID or fingerprint unlock on your phone, you will need to do that first in your device settings before it can work with Cash App. So this was it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell before going to get notified every time we upload any kind of tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.